Hi, this is Charlie Oldendorp with the Oldendorp Group, and welcome to 39 Longview Avenue in Madison. This 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home is larger than it appears and has a wonderful open floor plan. Located on almost a half-acre of fenced-in private property in the sought-after Knollwood section of Madison. This lovely home is just blocks from town and train. The banquet-sized dining room is perfect for entertaining. The eat-in kitchen has a breakfast bar and opens to the breakfast room. And large family room with fireplace. French doors open to the bluestone patio, an extremely large yard which is perfect for play, relaxing, and gardening. A bedroom currently being used as an office and a full bath complete this first floor. 3 large bedrooms are nestled on the second floor. The master suite features a spacious bathroom and walk-in closet. The remaining bedrooms are well served by the updated hall bathroom. This quiet street is perfect for neighborhood pickup games. If you are looking for a home in Madison that is spacious, move-in ready, and close to New York City trains, town, and top-rated schools, this is the home for you. For more information, please reach out to the Oldendorp Group.